Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I have for you this amazing cut crease makeup look. So to start off, I applied my favorite eyeshadow base by Louise, and this is the shade number 2. I applied it with a concealer brush, and for today's look I'm using Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So first of all, I will create the shape of my cut crease with the darkest brown eyeshadows from the palette, and also with the pink eyeshadows to be my transition shade. So I used the darkest colors in the outer corner and the lightest colors in the inner corner. So I just have to clean up the eyelid, and for it I'm gonna use a white eyeshadow base also from Louise. I'm using the shade 0, which is this white eyeshadow base, and I draw the shape of my cut crease with a concealer brush. And next I just have to set my eyeshadow base with a white eyeshadow. I'm using a very small brush to apply these colors, and in the middle of the cut crease I decided to leave a little open space, as you can see here. And next I just have to apply the colors in the eyelid, starting from the outer corner of my eyes with the darkest brown eyeshadow, following up to the middle and also to the inner corner to connect with the white eyeshadow. So in between I'm gonna apply the pink shades that I applied before on top in the cut crease line. By the way, the contact lenses that I'm using are from Desio Eyes in the shade Charming Green. I love this color so much. It's one of the new colors that they just launched. And in the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the brown eyeshadow that I applied in the outer corner as well to conclude the eyes. And to smudge even more this eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply the pink shade that I used for transition. So to conclude the eyes, I just add my fake lashes and mascara, and now I'm gonna do my skin. So moving on to my foundation, I'm gonna apply all over my face with a damp beauty blender, and next I'm gonna contour and highlight my face with the foundations by the Balm, and this is the Time Balm. I love these foundations because it's full coverage, and to highlight and contour my skin this is perfect because I really like the texture and the coverage, and it looks good, lasts longer. That's why I like this product. So I'm gonna apply everywhere I want to contour and highlight, and blend using the same blender as before. And now to set everything, I'm gonna use translucent powder by Mercier all over my face, and especially where I want to highlight. For blush, I'm using from Sigma Beauty blush palette. I'm gonna apply the pink shade just in the apples of my cheeks. And now for highlighter, I'm using the Manizer by the Balm just in the highest point of my face. For me, this is one of the best highlighters ever that I have ever used because I love the texture and it lasts longer. And to conclude this makeup look, I'm gonna use liquid lipstick by Melt Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply the dark purple just in the center and nude all over my lips. And to finish, I apply a little bit of gloss on top, and this is how I finish this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look, and also what you wanna see next here in my channel. Follow me around on Instagram to see more pictures of my work and also the lives that I'm doing there. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye, take care, stay safe.